Mashed potatoes are truly one of the great joys in life. And when you make them with butter and cream, nothing can beat them. Until now, that is. Because we're getting rid of the butter and cream and instead using Chosen Foods Wasabi Mayo for a ridiculously flavorful change-up. Bring peeled, evenly cut potatoes that have been covered with water in a pot to a boil. Then turn down to a simmer and cook until soft enough to stick a fork into. When the potatoes are done, drain them really well and mash them right in the pot. And when they're almost where you want them, season well with kosher salt and pepper, then stir in a few beautiful spoonfuls of the Chosen Wasabi Mayo. And one of the best ways to serve them is topped with a piece of gorgeous, crispy seared salmon. Or my personal favorite way to consume them, spoonfuls right out of the pot.